Hey friends, if you encounter the Valorant error, Valorant failed to open descriptor file, then try the following solution. It will definitely fix the problem. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. In the settings menu, go to the time and language tab on the left hand side. In the right pane, select date and time. Now make sure that the time zone is correct, because if the time zone is not correct, then you will face a problem. After that, scroll down and click on sync now. Wait for a few seconds for the time to sync. After that, return to the time and language tab and select language and region. Make sure that the country that you have selected is correct. If this helps, well and good. If it doesn't help, then search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager window. Right click on Riot Client and select End Task. Wait for a few seconds for the task to end. Then right click on the Start button, select Shutdown and Sign Out and restart your computer. If this does not help either, then the last solution will be to search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services application. In the services application, scroll down to the VGC service, double click on it, change the startup type to automatic, click on start, click on apply and then on OK to save the settings. Now Valorant will definitely work. I hope this was helpful. Please let us know in the comment section. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.